For this expedition, we will be driving to the far edge of South Dakota to try our hands at camping in the Badlands and the Black Hills. This will be part 1 of our 3-part series, where we explore and see what South Dakota has to offer. We live in the Midwest, so this will be a short 12-hour drive, which is actually kind of nice considering how far we have driven in the past.
That's a raindrop!
They can't even see
And my roof basket, no, my bag, look at that, my bag is on the roof basket getting wet. We are all going to die now. I'll probably edit that last part out.
We are leaving right after everyone got off of work, and starting our expedition at about 4 p.m. Since we are not able to make it to the Badlands tonight, we are opting to stay with some family members who live in Omaha, Nebraska. This will allow us to recharge and be fresh after the drive and having to work our jobs today.
So you got Dirk.
Dirk.
Dirk. Pizza time?
Done.
Yeah.
It's to measure my oxygen.
Right, so we are just leaving Omaha and we have a 7-hour drive into all of South Dakota. Unfortunately, there are not many roadside attractions. What else do I want to say, Jess?
The missiles.
The missile silo. Oh yeah, we are going to stop at some used, abandoned.
No, it's like a decommissioned missile.
Oh yeah.
You say used?
A used missile silo. Yeah, after we shot somebody. We're going to.
It's gotten dark.
We're gonna see some decommissioned missile silo. We're gonna stop at Wall, South Dakota, because that's the tourist trap. Grab all of our supplies for Camp 1. It's probably gonna be expensive, so we're only getting enough for Camp 1 before going into Badlands National Park. So we have 500 miles to go before we get there. Oh, we're cutting a little close. What's so fancy?
The gas gauge.
Oh yeah. That's very fancy. 14. It has only been this low one other time, and that's because I was being dumb.
You've been dumb many more than one other time.
Huh?
Is this the difference?
Are you calling us chonky?
I got it! You're Naruto running! So anyways, this is Wonderwall.
A short time later, we finally arrived at the back entrance to Badlands National Park. We stopped right outside the park boundaries to try and get some drone shots of the area. Right beyond the gate, they have another sign saying no drone flying allowed, and this is consistent across all national parks. Badlands National Park is located in the southwestern side of South Dakota, right off Interstate 90. Its dramatic landscapes span layered rock formations, steep canyons, and towering spires. Animals that roam the park include bisons, prairie dog, and bighorn sheep.
There's probably a rattlesnake in the bathroom.
The latter of which we did not see the entire trip. The many layers of rock in these spires represent the changing of the environment across millions of years, and contain everything from sandstone to limestone to shale. We drove the Badlands Loop, which winds past many scenic overlooks, and also marks the spot of a lot of hiking trails along the way. The Badlands cover a total of 244,000 acres around this area. Officially, the park was created in 1978 and contains one of the world's richest fossil beds ever discovered. So, I think this might be where we're going to camp for the night. This is definitely an off-road area, so we're going to go explore, and if we find a spot that we really like, I think we're going to stay here It is a little rough out here, but nothing a two-wheel drive couldn't handle. The thing is, there is no shade whatsoever. So I guess we'll go see what we could find. Okay, I think we have found the best spot out here. We had some people setting up over there a little ways, but they ended up packing it in, but probably looking for a little bit more seclusion. But we have this beautiful look over the limestone. What do we think that's called? The mountains? What are they?
The bluffs?
The bluffs.
The bluffs.
It looks like bluffs.
They're bluffs.
Anyways, this is where we are going to camp for the night. We are going to go ahead and get everything set up, and for tonight I'm going to try my hand at making some camp Philly cheesesteaks, so we'll see how those turn out. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on our cheesesteaks then. We have green onion, green pepper, and red onion. We'll go ahead and rinse those off real quick, get those chopped up. We bought pre-chopped steaks, stir-fry steak pieces that we'll go ahead and fry up on our little pit. And then once everything is cooked up, we'll assemble them in our pie irons and throw a bunch of cheese at it to get our Philly cheesesteaks.
Really? We have Easter. Finish cutting it?
Yeah, otherwise it might be just a one-man thing. Alright. Thank you for sipping it down for me.
Jake, someone took the road you wouldn't take.
They got that campsite down. Good for them. They sure did there, bud. This one is for our chef friend, so he can judge my steaks so aggressively.
Way out there. It looks like shade.
Oh, we lost the pepper.
Shade.
So I'll butter it up because these are going in the pie irons as soon as those are done cooking.
This will be warm schedule.
Okay, someone get the cheese out.
I like how this has an air vent.
Bring it for me.
Oh.
Sure gripped it.
Oh.
I did rip it. Crazy access.
This is pepper jack. Go crazy with it. Excellent.
If you're doing walking tacos, you can also use that cheese.
Little pepper jack cheese on it.
Yeah. I think I am sold on walking tacos.
I think I'm sold on chicken roasting.
Oh, that sounds good. What do we want to do? I can do the walking tacos tomorrow.
Brilliant, Jazz. Okay.
Right. It feels weird. Right. Like, oh, I guess I want new dishes, but I don't really need them. Like that kind of thing. It's just
Like, you have 20 items, that's it.
right. Right.
Do you want a fork to pull it off?
I was gonna say.
Good on the inside to pull that off.
You think it looks like it seals so well in the pictures.
Try this.
It's hard to.
Yeah.
Like it needs to be bigger.
Oh, see? It's the same thing where it's the bread's not cooking. And it came off super easy.
Too much butter?
I can't
Or do you think it
possibly
needs to
be
go
too
in there
much.
longer?
Oh my gosh.
And I think I found, what do they call it? Chaff? Good. I think it,
Yeah, one of these
Yeah, it's on the back of the truck.
so much cheese.
Oh, listen to that sizzle for melting cheese! Oh no!
I like that this is what's being recorded.
Alright, second try. And I think those finally turned out right, if not a little burned. Can I get someone's plate? You. Oh, now I just gotta get the damn thing. Oh, it may be a little hard.
That's all right.
Ooh,
Use the knife.
well, it
It's
cooked
great.
longer on one side than the other.
Oh,
That's why.
Ooh, well, the bottom of that one's gonna be
Yeah,
burned
show
too.
me the other side. Show me the money.
Survey says, oh!
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna grab that.
Oh no!
Oh no, YouTube.
Oh no, YouTube!
Oh no.
It's stuck in there. You're melting into the plate.
I think you need to let it cool.
Turn the camera off. Cut. So the last ones were not done enough, and these ones are turbo done. And they're gonna eat the same, where we just kind of pick around the bread. Philly cheesesteaks, baby. Right, but who's gonna eat these? Ow, that was a cactus! Ah, I did it! I stepped on a cactus. I'm bleeding!
He's bleeding.
I stepped on one back there.
Look at my poor foot! Someone eat those damn sandwiches! Why did no one tell me I was supposed to move the tripod?
Zoom in on your face while you take a bite.
I don't want to zoom in on my face.
I do. I am going to murder this cactus. Leave it better than you found it. Does that mean murdering cactus? Take a big bite for the camera.
Listen to the crunch.
Why is it so...
Take a bite.
This might not go in the YouTube video. Hey, look at that cheese come out. Nice. Delicious?
Pull in.
Delicious? So, I think that's where we're gonna end the video. We're getting eaten up by bugs. Surely we could stay up enough to see the stars because there's zero light pollution out here. But I think we'll look at them through the tent because we're all getting eat up, and I'm blurry as hell. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Don't.